Slice the king oyster mushroom diagonally. Slice the shiitake thinly. Cut off the base of the shimaji, cut in half and separate into smaller clusters. Mince the garlic. Heat salad oil in a frying pan and add garlic and all the mushrooms, then cook until softened. Add ponzu, butter, and salt and pepper, then stir-fry until the liquid is reduced by about half. Bring water to a boil in a pot and cook the ramen noodles. Turn off the heat, then add the included soup base and ponzu. Mix well. Serve the ramen in a bowl. Top with the mushroom mixture and garnish with chopped green onion. Garlic mushrooms meet buttery, tangy ponzu soup for a rich, flavorful twist on instant ramen.